Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Bits credit card. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might have just gotten your Bits credit card and you're still unsure on how to use it. Well, using Bits card is actually a straightforward process. So generally, for you to start using it, you need to install the Bits mobile app. In this case, go ahead and visit Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Bits mobile app. Now from there, what we need to do is just log into your account and navigate to the shop section and access partner retailers. Now from then, you could go and select items that you wish to purchase. Now from then on, proceed to the checkout and authorize the payment. In this case, that's how you use the Bits credit card or the Bits card that you have. Now in this case, you might be wondering, how can you cancel the Bits credit card at any time? So can you actually cancel it? So the answer is yes, you can cancel the Bits credit card at any time. However, it's important to settle any outstanding card balances before doing so. Additionally, it's worth noting that opening and closing the card within a period of less than 12 months may have a negative impact on your credit rating. So be wary of that. Now also, is it possible to make cash withdrawals using the Bits credit card? So the answer to that is no. Unfortunately, the Bits credit card does not support cash withdrawals. It is designed primarily for digital transactions, and cash-oriented transactions are not supported. Meaning, it's a way for you to spend on specific products that they support, and from then on, it actually helps you to build your credit so that your credit score could actually look really, really good. Now, this case, the final thing that we should be discussing here is are the monthly subscription fees for the Bits credit card fixed? So the answer to that is no. The monthly fees for the Bits credit card can vary depending on the type of credit card plan you've selected. So these fees are subject to change based on the chosen plan. Now, in conclusion, using Bits credit card is a straightforward and convenient process, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.